Ngizocela nje bazalwane sihambisane khona la ngifuna ukuthi sifike khona. Khona la ngifuna ukuthi kule sermon engizoyipreacha noma engizokhuluma ngayo namhlanje kodwa kube khona imessage uNkulunkulu akhulumisana nawe. Namhlanje bazalwane sisenkonzweni yephasika la sikhumbula khona ukufa nokuvuka kwaKristu Jesu. Inkonzo abanye bethu sikhule sihamba zimnandi lezi inkonzo kodwa singanakho ukuqonda ukuthi isho ukuthini and why siba nalezi inkonzo lezi. Umvelase uyibeke kahle mekhuluma ngegazi abantwana baka-Israel kwathiwa baligcobe icabheni. But the problem ababanayo baba stuck kwi-tradition yegazi. Aba understandanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu ebalidela to something that is bigger. Ayibonge bazalwane. Now ekulezi inkonzo siba kuzona zephasika yebo kuyashunyayela ngokufa nokuvuka kwaKristu Jesu. Sizwe amazwi awu7 kodwa singa understand ukuthi yonke lento ithini kumuntu ophilayo emhlabeni okholwayo nongakholwa. Ayibonge bazalwane. So sikhuluma ngokufa nokuvuka kaKristu Jesu simphakamise ngephasika kodwa masiphuma einkonzweni zephasika njengesonto simkhohle uJesu sikhohle umsebenzi wawenza esiphambanweni. Siyakholwa kodwa ukukholwa kwethu kuyacaca ukuthi kuncike kwezinye izinto akuncikile kuKristu Jesu nomsebenzi ophelelile wawenza esiphambanweni. Siyakholwa impela kodwa ithemba lethu likwezinye izinto. Ngiyakhuleka namhlanje ukuthi lenkonzo sibe nokushintsha ekwiqondeni kwayo. Singayithathi njengesiko, singayithathi njengetradition, singayithathi njengeritual noma singayithathi njengomkhuba. Kodwa sibe nokuqonda ukuthi lenkonzo i-cornerstone yethu olweni maKristu. It is the cornerstone of inkolo yethu thina maKristu. So bazalwane inkonzo yephasika iphinde isikhumbuze about God's ultimate act of love and grace. So namhlanje sesinempilo entsha kuKristu. Namhlanje sesinethemba elisha kuKristu. Namhlanje sesinobudlelwane noBaba uNkulunkulu esezulwini. Sesinesiqiniseko ngalobudlelwane because of uKristu Jesu. Now lesi siqiniseko esesinaso about ubudlelwane bethu noNkulunkulu asisamile egazini leimbuzi. Asisamile egazini nje uBaba umvelase leli laligcotshwe icabheni. Ungaletha noma umuphi umpostoli, ubishop, umprofeti, umfundisi omthembayo nomaziyo kodwa lesi siqiniseko asikho kulabo bantu. Lesi siqiniseko manje sesikuKristu Jesu kuphela. Nomsebenzi wawenza esiphambanweni waphelela. So bazalwane lenkonzo iphinde isikhumbuze ukuthi uJesu usaphila even namhlanje. And ukuvuka kwakhe it is the foundation of insindiso yethu. Ngoba uJesu akavukanga ngaba sinayo insindiso. Asingene esihlokweni sethu bazalwane sanamhlanje. Ngingamoshi isikhathi. Isihloko sethu sithi bazalwane, it is always been about Jesus. It is always been about uJesu. Ekuqaleni kwesikhathi yonke lento bihlezi ingoKristu Jesu. It is always been about Jesus. Now ngiyazi makushunyawela ngesiphambano noma masikhuluma ngesiphambano Ngoba sesibuka ama movie kakhulu o Passion of the Christ nama documentaries kaJesu, masicabanga isiphambano sicabanga ubuhlungu, sicabanga inhlekelele, sicabanga ihlazo, sibone ubuhlungu that is never imagined. And in the natural there is true kunjalo bazalwane. Isiphambano siyipain, siyihlazo, kodwa kunamagama engifuna ukwasho namhlanje ukuthi isiphambano kwangungalona iphutha. It was the plan of God to reconcile himself. And ngicela uyizwe kahle lento. It was not a plan of God ukuthi umuntu abuyele eNkulunkulu cha. It was God himself reconciling himself to man. Kwakuyi-initiative yakhe. Yayisuka kuyena lento. Ayikho into esayifaka, ayikho i-effort esayifaka, ayikho into esayenza. Mawufunda i-Old Testament bebezama ngawo lamagazi, bezama yonke imhlabelo, but it could not satisfy or reconcile us with God. And it only took one man and one moment on the cross, uKristu Jesu. Ayibonge bazalwane. So enye into engifuna si understand ukuthi uJesu akafanga ngephutha bazalwane. Akafanga uJesu. Ngithe namase ngisifunda lesi scripture ngiprepare and umoya ingcwele ulukuveza something kumina ukuthi uJesu he surrendered. Wazinikela. He surrendered. So umuntu mesurrender, it means ukuthi unawo amandla okuliswana nalesi simo. Unalo igunya lokuphuma kulesi simo. But he chooses ukuthi asurrender. Now uJesu bengayiresista yonke lento alwe nalabantu, but he surrendered because uJesu wenokuqonda ukuthi uNkulunkulu unenjongo ngami nawe. uJesu understood the purpose of God about you and I. It was all for the purpose of God. uNkulunkulu ufuna wonke umuntu asindiswe. And amandla okusindisa uKristu Jesu akana ma limits, akana ma boundaries. His grace is sufficient for everyone. Ayibonge bazalwane. So njengoba celebrate iPhasika namhlanje, asikhumbuzeke ukuthi uJesu sasindisa even now njengoba ngimile ngikhuluma. Ayibonge bazalwane. Into ayidingayo noma into ayifuna kuwena ukuthi uresponde kuyena and what he has done on the cross ukholwe. As I was reading this Bible, umoya ingcwele veza lento yokusurrender. Ngifuna ukuqinisa umzalwane ukuthi ziyafika izimo empilweni. Sishawa abantu, silinyazwa abantu esibathandayo. And asenzanga lutho kubona. Njengoba uJesu engenzanga lutho kulabantu. And we have the power, noma sinawo amandla ukuthi labantu singalwa back sibalimaza. But lento liki ivela kumina ukuthi but uJesu surrendered because of God's purpose. Na umbuzo engiyibuza wona ukuthi masilwa zonke lezi zimpi esibhekana nazo. Silwa lezi zimpi ezinganasicoco. Sithini ngenjongo kaNkulunkulu about us? Mase silwile lezi zimpi. Siyaphuma enjongweni kaNkulunkulu noma are we still in God's purpose for our lives? NjengoKristu, he surrendered because he understood God's purpose. Ngithe isihloko sami sanamhlanje, it has always been about Jesus. Yonke lento ingoKristu uJesu. So ngiyazi masikhuluma ngoJesu noma masikhuluma ngoNkulunkulu, into egijimayo emakhanda ethu sicabanga imanga nezimangaliso. We think of miracles, we think of immediate interventions to our issues, and there's nothing wrong with that because we know God and scripture is proving it ukuthi he does manifest ama-miracles ney'mangaliso. Nami futhi ngiyayithanda iy'manga ney'mangaliso, but sengiyayithanda for one simple reason. Inhloso yazo zikhomba uKristu Jesu, zifakazela uKristu Jesu. Izimanga nezimangaliso, it's not about mina ne-ego yami, it's not about mina ne-pride yami, it's not about mina nokuphila impilo yami comfortable emnandi, but zikhomba uKristu uJesu. Nisakhona bazalwane? Ngoba imanga nemangaliso imvelo yazo zi-intervention kuloso simo nangaloso sikhathi, zisolva i-problem evelile ngaloso sikhathi. But uma we understand lento engishoyo ukuthi imanga nemangaliso sikhomba uKristu Jesu, imanga nemangaliso khona izinto ezingakwazi ukuyenza. They can't secure our life in eternity. Sezenzakalile imanga nemangaliso, kodwa kumele sibone uKristu Jesu kuyonke lonto, ngoba uyena okwazi ukusinika impilo eyonke naphakade. Sikhule ekumazini uKristu Jesu. Kanjani na mfundisi? Noma sazi ukuthi uKristu Jesu unawo amandla okumanifesta imanga nemangaliso, noma sazi ukuthi uKristu Jesu uyakwazi ukusenzela izinto, kodwa kumele sidlule lapho simbone njengesource of ukuphila kwethu. Simbone uJesu ekwazi ukutransforma impilo zethu from ngaphakathi, afinyelele la okungakwazi ukufinyelela khona umuntu ngaphakathi, akwazi ukufinyelela la khona engeke kufinyelele umakoti wami, afinyelele la engeke kwazi ukufinyelela khona umzali wami, afinyelele la khona engeke kwazi ukufinyelela ngisho umfundisi wami, afinyelele khona la ngisho abantwana bami abangeke bakwazi ukufinyelela. But afinyelele yena enze ushintsho ngaphakathi, then this change ibe evident ngaphandle kumina. And ukukhuleni ukumazi uKristu is understanding and believing nokwazi ukuthi imanga nezimangaliso sikhona, kodwa ziyimpawu esikhomba uKristu Jesu. Ayibonge bazalwane. Nisakhona bazalwane? Ngifuna nje ukwenza imizekelo emibili. It's all about uJesu bazalwane. Just imizekelo emibili uJesu imangaliso wazenze eBhayibhelini. Kodwa ngifuna sibambe a common theme about uJesu before enze isimangaliso noma masesenzile. One, mefika echibini laseBethesda eze kule ndoda bisihleli for 38 years idinga isimangaliso noma idinga ukuthi ihileke. uJesu wayihile le ndoda, amazwi kaJesu awashoyo emva kwalokho athi hamba ungasoli, ngoba a lot worse could happen to you. Ngifuna uyi-understand i-background yalesi simo. uJesu mefika kuleli chibi baningi abantu abagulayo, but uqonda kule ndoda. Now in the natural mind ngeke si understand ngoba sobuza ukuthi but usho ukuthi uJesu akekho fair, why ekhetha le ndoda? But uJesu, he was not preoccupied. Imanga nemangaliso kwakuyindlela edlulayo kuJesu. It was not the end of him. Wezenza lezi imanga nemangaliso ukuze ayikhombe yena. Amazwi asho uJesu uthi hamba ungasoni because a lot worse could happen to you. So uJesu uqonda ukuthi suka endleleni zakho zakudala, align yourself with God. Ithemba lakho manje alibe kumina njengenkosi nomsindisi wakho. In a way ushumayeza nalaba abakhona ababonayo. uJesu ngobenza zonke lezi zinto, he is pointing to himself. Umzekelo wesibili uLazarus bazalwane. Siyasazi istory sika Lazarus. uJesu uyayithola indaba ukuthi uLazarus ushonile. akhale ahambe aye kaLazarus. uJesu ngiyamthanda ube umuntu orelaxile. Lithi iBhayibheli waqala wayidlulela nje endaweni zakhe wenza lokho okwenzayo, then waya kaLazarus. Mase fikile kaLazarus uJesu ngifuna ukulisho leli verse. Mase fikile uJesu, he's not preoccupied about the act of ukuvusa uLazarus. It's not his concern. Akuyona into emhluphayo leyo uJesu kakhulu. He knows unawo amandla okuvusa uLazarus. But uJesu is more concerned about labantu laba abahamba naye lezi ixuku. Ufuna ukuziveza kubona ngoba uyazi ukuthi mazoperforma le miracle abantu bazobambelela kule miracle bamkhohlwe yena. Asiya John 11 verse 25 and 26. Just one verse. uJesu usho lamagama before avusa uLazarus. Uthi, I am the resurrection and the life. Ngikuvuka nokuphinda. Now he's reaffirming into asazoyenza ivusa uLazarus. But he's trying to say ukuvuka kwaLazarus is not more important than mina. Ngoba lento ezokwenzeka kuLazarus ngiyona mina. Aphinda qhubeka athi, the one who believes in me will live. Lokho lwakumina uyokuphila. Lokho lwakumina uyokuphila. Aphinda athi, even though they die, noma befa, and whoever lives by believing in me will never die. Ifocus kaJesu akhona ukuvusa uLazarus. Ifocus kaJesu yena. Because he is the resurrection and the life. Must interpret le line lo ukuthi is the resurrection and the life. uJesu wena ukuqonda ukuthi siphile emhlabeni obroken. Mangithi siphile emhlabeni obroken, abantu bayashona singathandi ukubashona. It's the natural world. Izinto ezimbi ziyenzeka kubantu ngisho singathandi. Bengenzanga lutho. We are living in a broken world. But uJesu usinika ithemba ukuthi yena ukuvuka nokuphila. Amvusa uLazarus. But namhlanje uLazarus akekho. Because njoba dengisho, a miracle is an intervention of that time. But uJesu is eternity. uJesu uyingunaphakade. Oh bazalwane. Ngizocela siye ku scripture sethu nje sanamhlanje bazalwane. Ukureaffirma ukuthi it's always been about Jesus Christ. Luke 23 verse 39 to 43. Then mase ngiyahlala phansi. Luke 23 verses 39. One of the criminals who hung there hurled insults at him. Aren't you the Messiah? Save yourself and us. But the other criminal rebuked him. Don't you fear God, he said, since you are under the same sentence. We are punished justly, for we are getting what our deeds deserve. But this man has done nothing wrong. Then he said, Jesus, remember me when you come into your kingdom. Jesus answered him, truly I tell you, today you will be with me in paradise. Ngensa kwi context yalo bazalwane na kwi background yalo for the sake of time. Kodwa khona la engifuna ukuya khona ukuthi yonke lento it's about uKristu Jesu. Lezi gebengu zombili zibethelwe noKristu Jesu. uKristu Jesu ngaphakathi, esinye singala, esinye singala. Lezi gebengu zibethelwe amacala afanayo noma cisha afana. Njengoba usizwa lesesinye sikhuluma. Babethelwe noJesu amacala afanayo. Kodwa kunento ehlukayo ukubona bobabili. Irresponse yabo to isituation ababhekene nayo. One chooses to believe, one chooses to mock uJesu. So lesi sigebengu sokuqala masikhuluma sibuza uJesu ukuthi njengoba uMesaya why ungayisindisi nathi usindise usikhiphe kulesi simo. Irresponse yesigebengu sokuqala was a response of self-preservation. It is about me. It was a response of self-interest. It was a response ukuthi inkosi ngifuna imiracle manje ngisuse kulesi simo. Angithi mawuthi uyinkosi mawuthi uJehova ayithi nathi masikhuleka sizosisho simkhombe uNkulunkulu. Sithi lesi sigebengu why ungayisindisi wena nathi usindise. Pride neego yakhe yadlala ngayo. At the moment any appointment noNkulunkulu. This man had an appointment noNkulunkulu esiphambanweni. But he missed it because of irresponse yakhe. Irresponse yakhe was founded on immediate solutions. He lost that moment. He lost eternity. Walahlekelwa ingunaphakade at that moment. Maseza kulesi sigebengu sesibili sikhuza umngani waso. Ayibo wakhuluma nomunye kanje. Wena uyazi siyazi thina amaqala ethu. And sigwetshwa ngoba kufanele. And the punishment sithola ngoba kufanele. Because into kaJesu ilapho. It humbles you. Masembulelekile kuwena. Uqala uyibone lento ukuthi no mina ngideserve. Lento ngithole because it is grace umusa. Lesi sigebengu sesibili sasuka enhlungwini wezizwa. Wasuka enhlambeni wethuka ngazo because bebemthuka. Wasuka kwimvimbo le weshawa noma lo wesayisafarishile. Wasuka kwi-guilt ne-self-condemnation. Wasuka ekwihluleleni kwakhe. But he recognized uwrong bakhe. Kodwa wasuka ukuthi ayicondemn. Wanyuka waya ngaphezulu. He saw a king. Ngoba amazakhe methi remember me in your kingdom. You don't say those words if you don't recognize the king. There had to be a king for him to recognize the kingdom. He saw a king at that moment of suffering and pain. How many of us today who see a king with suffering and pain as beyond? This man was not worried manje about him asuke esiphambanweni. Wengasane ndaba nale miracle ayifuna lo munye. But wasefuna isiqiniseko neassurance ukuthi lenkosi izoba naye mase isiye embuseni wayo. Ayibonge bazalwane. Ayibonge bazalwane. Isigebengu sesibili sazuza impilo yangunaphakade. Amazwi kaJesu they were very simple. Athi namhlanje ngizobe nginawe eparadise. Akashonga uJesu ukuthi wena uzoya eparadise. No. Paradise is not enough. But it's being with uJesu khona lapha eparadise. uJesu azange sayibuza le ndoda ukuthi wena njengoba ngangishumayela la ubhizi wenza ubugebengu wawungayizwa yini into engangishumayela. But God's grace was readily available even in those final hours yale ndoda le. uJesu azange asabuza imibuzo eminingi but wamnika igarantii. Even namhlanje I want to assure you ukuthi lo Jesu is still making that promise ukuthi uzoba nawe eparadise. Akasana ndaba ukuthi wenzeni izolo. Akasana ndaba ukuthi usuzame kangakanani wahluleka. But yena ukunika isiqiniseko ukuthi uzoba nawe in paradise. It is all about Jesus bazalwane. Yonke lento ngoKristu Jesu. Ngoba sila namhlanje it's about uKristu Jesu. Ayibonge bazalwane. Ayibonge bazalwane. Sengizohlala phansi bazalwane. Ngifuna ukusho lamagama. Namhlanje ngoba celebrate iPhasika. Asisalindile imove kaNkulunkulu. Ngiyazi masizwe intshumayelo noma masibuka ama video and angigxeki lokho but ngifuna ukukhuluma iqiniso according to scripture. We are always saying we are waiting for this big move of God. Silinde revival, silinde umlilo, silinde and. God has already moved. uNkulunkulu usemuvile. uNkulunkulu wamuva ngoKristu esiphambanweni. Ngifuna ukusho lokhu boldly, without fear, without prejudice. Ayikho enye move kaNkulunkulu eyosuke ibe khona as powerful, as significant as the one on Christ on the cross. Ayikho. Ngoba la uNkulunkulu wasidemonstrate uthando lakhe. Ila uNkulunkulu wasatisfy ijustice yakhe nolaka lakhe. Wakhombisa amandla akhe phezu kwesono. Wakhombisa amandla akhe phezu kokufa. Wakhombisa amandla akhe phezu koSathane uqobo. Ayibonge bazalwane. Ayisekho enye move bazalwane. Ngesikhathi uJesu ethi it is finished. Kwase kugcwalisekwa kwecebo likaNkulunkulu. When he said it was finished, kwase kuphelelisiwe konke. Sengiyavala bazalwane. It is always been about uJesu. From eqaleni kwesikhathi, from iprofeto nama promises abaprofeti, from imangaliso zonke nemfundiso nempilo kaJesu uqobo emhlabeni, it is always been about uKristu uJesu. It was never about anything else. It has always been about uJesu. Melenga uJesu esiphambanweni opha igazi ophela izono zethu nezomhlaba. Wengahluliwe uJesu lapho bazalwane. But he was fulfilling the eternal plan of God. He was not defeated bazalwane. Wefeza injongo kaNkulunkulu. Namhlanje sinethemba elisha. Sinokulunga okaNkulunkulu. Sisindisiwe, sinokuphila kwangunaphakade. Akukho konke lokho engikubalayo emandleni ethu nokuthi senzeni nokuthi sisazokwenzani. Kodwa kuKristu Jesu kuphela. Nawe namhlanje usungasho ukuthi Jesu ngikhumbule nami. Nawe usongawasho lamagama ukuthi Jesu ngikhumbule. And ngiyazi uJesu userespondile. Uthi nawe namhlanje. He's giving you the reassurance ukuthi nawe. No matter how dark the situation is, no matter how much the pain oyifilayo, niyayazi bazalwane le pain oyifilayo ongeke ukwazi ukuyichazela omunye umuntu, ongeke ukwazi ngisho ukuyiexpressa, but yaziwo wena uJesu nawe lapho. It has always been about Jesus. Namhlanje it's still about uJesu. Nakusasa it's always going to be about Jesus. Ngizocela siphakame bazalwane. Woza kuJesu. Woza kuJesu. Ngeke asakubuza ngepast yakho.